สวัสดีครับ A greeting in Thai means hello. A food truck hub in Beaverton, Oregon. Today, no restaurants, no home delivery, no food court at the shopping center, no fast food, and of course, no home cooking. We decided to have our family lunch at the food truck hub in Beaverton, Oregon, not so far from our house. It is an open air space, clean, nice and fun atmosphere. There are many kids here. There are more than 30 international food trucks, barbecue, sandwich, pizza, Thai food, Japanese food, and Mexican food, for example. I saw 2 Thai food trucks. I'm glad to see that and quite proud of Thai food. But anyhow, I picked the Hawaiian food truck and I ordered chicken katsu. It was so delicious, and of course, the price is reasonable. By the way, my baby grandson has formula. Please enjoy the view and some menu at this food truck hub. And if you have a chance, come and experience.
You look familiar.
Shall we eat over there? That is not.
I think that's part of like the beer.
But I saw
area.
people. Thank you for watching. And have a nice day.